Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Union Hook. This incredible grappling accessory is a must-have for advanced players in Terraria, offering unparalleled mobility. It allows you to deploy up to 8 hooks at once, making traversal and combat much more dynamic. We'll cover the exact steps to craft it, the materials you'll need, and some tips for maximizing its potential in your adventures. Let's dive right in. To craft the Union Hook, you'll need to visit a tinkerer's workshop. This crafting station is essential for combining various accessories. The recipe calls for 4 distinct grappling hooks, each bringing its unique properties to the final product. You'll need the standard hook, the Ivy Whip, the dual hook, and the web slinger. Gathering these 4 components is your first major step towards obtaining this powerful item. Let's break down where to find each of the 4 required hooks. The basic hook is a relatively common drop from skeletons and piranhas. For the Ivy Whip, you'll need to craft it using 3 vines and 3 jungle spores at an anvil. The dual hook is a valuable drop from mimics, which are disguised chests found in the cavern's lair. Finally, the web slinger can be found in web-covered chests within spider nests. Happy hunting! Once you have your Union Hook, you'll immediately notice its incredible utility. With the ability to deploy 8 hooks simultaneously, your mobility will be dramatically enhanced. This allows for rapid ascent, quick horizontal movement, and even complex aerial dodging during boss fights. Experiment with different grappling techniques to truly master its potential. It's a game changer for exploration and combat, offering a significant upgrade to your traversal capabilities.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.